Here's what you need to do in order to try to fix the issue with incoming call not showing on the screen on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The first thing that you can do is make sure that Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. In my case it is enabled, so I want to tap here in order to turn it off in the quick settings. You can also go to settings, notifications, and here we can go to Do Not Disturb in order to see if it's disabled as well. Sometimes there is a schedule enabled that turns on DND mode by default, or not by default but automatically, and this could cause the issue with incoming call not showing. And also, besides that, you might also have a mode or routine that also triggers the Do Not Disturb mode, so you want to make sure that it is not being enabled, for instance by the sleep mode. Now, if that doesn't help, if you make sure that DND is not enabled, the next thing that you can do is go to apps. Let's go to apps here. We want to tap on this icon first on the right side, and we need to show system apps. Then we're gonna use this icon over here in the top right corner in order to start searching for apps. And we're gonna first enter phone. Over here, select phone. We want to force stop and press OK. Then here go to storage, and we want to clear data. This should also clear cache. If it didn't clear, then do that as well. After that, let's go back. And before we exit, we want to also clear phone calls and phone services. If you have these options doubled, like I do, make sure to select the one without this blue icon in the bottom right corner of the app icon. So this one, once again, force stop, go to storage, and clear data, and do the same thing with phone services. Force stop, storage, clear data. After that, we're gonna switch from phone to call. All right, and then we're gonna start with this call over here. Once again, force stop, storage, clear data. Then we can do the same thing with call services, force stop, storage, and clear data. And then we also have call BG provider. We're gonna clear everything again. And let's see, we can also go to, well, I think that's about it. It should be all, but just in case we can also check Samsung Call Media and do the same thing here. In this case, I can just clear cache. And that is pretty much it. After you are done with cleaning all these cache files and data, we can go and open the phone app just to make sure that everything re-enables properly. And that is all. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.